I'm going to do a quick video on how to edit an Asana project. Now this may be something that you do after you've made a new project based on a template that we have, and you're just editing it before you send it off to whoever's project it's going to be, whoever will fulfill all the tasks. First I have to navigate to the project, and I have some of these steps written out. I may add some more as we go along here, but we'll navigate to the project. So I'm going to navigate here to our employee onboarding team. Our employee onboarding team here, and then I'm going to navigate to the let's see, I'm going to change this tab, this project, the employee onboarding RoboForm setup, so that it doesn't include this team lead end. So it's just what the team member will do. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. So I'll push on these three dots and I'll click delete section. Are you sure you want to delete this section? Now I can always cancel and say, do I really want to? I'll look at this, see how descriptive it is, see if it's useful, and decide, hey, it doesn't have any subtasks, or hey, this task really belongs to someone else, so we'll delete that section. And we go ahead and delete it. I'm going to go ahead and open up another tab so we can view the task that I'm checking off in this tab here. On this screen. So let's see, we are process development, editing an Asana project. So I navigated to the project. I can even go through here these sub steps. Say I opened Asana, and I navigated to the team of the project, and I selected the project. Woohoo! I'm a magical unicorn. Feel good. So then I'm going to make that deletion. So I went ahead and I made that deletion. Now I'm going to add a section to it, and I'm going to populate that section. So let's see. Oh, well, when I deleted that section, I didn't delete the tasks in it. So now I'm going to show you how to delete a task here. Right click on that, click delete task, and right click on the task again and delete it. I'm just going to call this RoboForm setup, because this is how you'll set up RoboForm as a new employee. I'm going to add another section and call it email template setup. And I'll move myself here so you can see a little better. So you set up emails that email templates that you'll send to clients or to whoever. Whenever there's a repeatable email, you'll set up a template for it, so you don't have to type that out and rehash that idea every time you come to the same process again. It'll just be there for you. So we'll add a task to the section. And all right, I'm going to go ahead and copy this from onboarding Asana Loomed because we have it here. Now, there is this great video that Aaron has made. And so I'll go ahead and I'll copy this whole description and go back to that employee onboarding. So I'm gonna, oh, the task disappeared, so I have to add a new task with the plus. We'll say watch this video. In the description, we will put that description, and then our subtasks. We'll navigate back, get those 2 subtasks, and fill them in. So that's how you'll add a section and add tasks to it. So we added a section and we populated it, and we've edited a task and a subtask. Now to assign a task to someone, I'll go ahead and show you that. You can click on the overview and you want to click on the list, and you can assign whomever that task belongs to and begin typing in their name. Let's say Dina's. It's Dina's task. We'll add her in there. And you'll tap that to add her. So now we've assigned someone, and this is there's more ways to edit, of course, but this is just a broad overview of those baby steps for editing an Asana project.